Hello and welcome to this yoga practice. This class is there for you if you have a day where you feel a bit more vulnerable. Maybe a day where you feel rather like staying in than going out, or you just need to reassure to feel just okay. You know, sometimes we don't have to feel all the way up here or down here. This practice hopefully will bring you just to somewhere where you feel okay and show yourself some kindness, some love and some support. So let's get onto the mat. We come to lie down and we begin in just a moment. Thank you for being here. So we begin our yoga practice lying down in a semi-supine posture in constructive rest. So as you come to lie down on your back, separate your feet mat width apart and allow your knees to fall in towards one another. Then lift your hips, shift your hips further to the heels and just lift the shoulders, the head in any way that you can readjust to ensure your spine is nice and long. Arms are alongside your body with your hands facing up towards the skies. And if you haven't already, just allow your eyes to gently close or your gaze to focus on one single spot on the ceiling if you'd rather have your eyes open. And just allow your whole body, your mind, yourself to arrive here in your practice today. From head to toes, just allowing the body to sink into this space. To let go of anything that happened during your day thus far. Allow a sense of heaviness to arise, so your muscles can start to relax. And before you start to change anything, just notice the rhythm of your breath. Notice these gentle rising and falling sensations that your breathing brings with it. As you inhale, your body is rising. Maybe you feel the belly, maybe you feel the chest lifting, rib cage possibly expanding. And on every out breath, just notice where your body is relaxing and where your body might be holding. And feeling vulnerable certainly is a feeling, but sometimes also we get a bit too much into our heads. So it's important to arrive back in the body. So allow that to happen right now. And then slowly start to bring your hands onto your belly. Allow your elbows to rest, the palms to be soft. And we begin our practice today with 20 rounds of breaths, so 20 collective breaths together. So I would like you to take a deep breath in, inhale through the nose. Breathe all the way down into your belly. And then gently open your mouth and release the air through the lips. 2 more like this. Inhale, breathe into your belly. Body is rising. And then gently open your mouth and release, side out. 1 more cleansing breath. Inhale through the nostrils. Exhale, nice long sigh out through the mouth. And now let's start together. Inhale for 1, breathe into your belly. Exhale for 2. Breathe in for 3. And exhale for 4. Inhale for 5, belly is rising. Exhale for 6, belly is falling. Inhale for 7. Exhale for 8. Breathe in for 9. Breathe out 10. Inhale 11. Exhale 12. Inhale 13. Exhale, 14. Inhale, 15. Exhale for 17. Inhale for 18. Nice long breath. Exhale for 19. And then your last round, deep belly breath in. Inhale for 20. Gently open your mouth and release. Release your breath all the way back out. Beautiful work. Very, very nice. And from here, open your arms gently out into cactus arms. Lift your head again. Bring your chin down into your chest. And just bring your knees apart now so your knees are pointing up towards the ceiling. The feet, they stay where they were. Drop your knees over towards the left side of your mat and just gently bring your gaze over to the right. And your knees don't have to come all the way down to the ground, to see where they are naturally falling towards. Now as you breathe in, roll over your feet, bring the knees back to center, and nice and softly exhale, knees to the right, gaze over to the left. And just start to find a counter rhythm that suits your body. Your inhaling knees come to center and your exhaling knees roll to the other side. Head in one direction, knees to the other side. And just find a rhythm that almost feels like a meditative movement. So you're connecting your body to your breath. And rather than trying to achieve any sort of shapes or any sort of movement, just tune into a very natural flow, as if your body and your breath, they're just doing it. You don't have to be in control of it. If you have the tendency to be quite active or to overthink it, and see if you can just trust your body and tune in to letting go. Take about 5 more rounds on each side, and this is also a very nice massage for the lower back, the sacrum. So notice how you're rolling over your lower back. Nice massage for the feet. Keep the feet soft, soles of the feet relaxed. And naturally, the longer you do it for, the more you feel that you start to tune into your breath. Your knees might come closer to the ground. Maybe your shoulder, the opposite one, is lifting. So just take a few more of these windshield wiping motions. Palms are relaxed, fingers are relaxed. Take one more on each side now. Beautiful work. And then after your last one, slowly come back to center. Bring your head back to center and then lift one knee to your chest after the other. Just give yourself a nice squeeze here by wrapping the arms around the body and just holding it there for a moment. And this posture actually kind of represents what we sometimes need to do when feelings become overwhelming, where we just need to take a moment to pause and sit with it, to just tune in. Very nice. Now hold on to your left knee and drop the right foot down onto the mat. From here, extend your left leg up towards the ceiling and just straighten your leg as much as you like to get into your hamstrings, the back of your legs. Hold on to the back of your leg and then start to point and flex your foot a few times. Even here, tune into your breathing. Then rotate your ankle one way and then the other way. And as you come back to center, the heel is gently pressing up. You might want to draw the leg a bit closer in toward your body. Again, not overdoing, just coming back into your body. Keep the shoulders relaxed, breath deep. Feel the length in your leg. Beautiful work. And then slowly release your left foot down onto the ground and extend the other leg, the right leg. First of all, start to point and flex the foot a few times. And rotate your ankle one way and then the other way. And then again, when you flex your foot next time, just gently press the heel up towards the ceiling. Keep grounding your hip, your sacrum, down towards the mat, the right hip especially here, the right side of the hips rather. Shoulders relax, breath deep. You might want to draw the knee in closer toward you. And then we start to scissor the legs, so alternating between the two. And if you can, so you could either do exactly what we've done, just alternating, or you can extend your left leg up towards the ceiling. And then we're going to do it with full extension. So the right leg comes down, left leg draws in toward you. You would inhale once you come back to center, and you exhale again, either drop the foot down or keep the legs long. So just find a rhythm and a kind of postural change that suits your body today. And mainly focus on connecting the movement to the breath. So every time you come to center, inhale, when the legs scissor over, and then exhale. You can change between the two, just do anything that feels nice and nourishing for the body right now. Making sure your jaw doesn't tense up. Make sure your shoulders stay soft. And take 2 more on each leg, 2 more nice hamstring stretches. Once you've completed, very nice, bring your knees back in towards your chest again. Wrap your palms around your legs and gently rock the body side to side. Allow your head to move left and right. We already come to the end of our practice today, and we're going to finish in a not so traditional way, but in a way that I feel is very nourishing. When again you have a moment where you feel a bit vulnerable, where you need to feel okay again. So come to lie on your side and rest your head either onto a pillow or onto your arm. You can lie on your left or your right side. Bring your knees into a shape that feels nice, maybe closer in toward you. The closer they are to your body, sometimes it really feels like you're kind of giving yourself a hug. And just soften your opposite hand down onto the mat, coming into this side lying position, our final relaxation for today. Eyes are softening or closing completely again. And just notice your body being held by this space, by this practice that I'm offering you, the space you're offering yourself, your yoga mats, the earth. And allow yourself to be in that exact moment with that exact feeling that you're experiencing. And just know that it's okay. It is how you're feeling. You don't have to push that away, or you don't have to analyze it. Just be with it. And allow yourself, or give yourself that moment of kindness, of care now. Notice your breath now returning to a very natural rhythm. Your muscles start to relax, therefore your body feels a bit heavier. Notice if there is a tendency anywhere in the body where you're holding on to tension or where it's hard for you to let go. And see if you can release, maybe through the jaw, maybe the shoulders, the chest, the belly. And just allow the breath to flow. Nothing you have to do anymore, just simply being. And with that softness through the body, that kindness that you're showing yourself, see if you can tune into any potential changes that might have happened throughout this practice. I really wish that this practice served you. And if you'd like to come into Shavasana to have even more of a relaxation, you can now slowly turn yourself onto your back and have a rest or continue with your day. Thank you so much for practicing. From my heart to yours. Namaste.